Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do a short demonstration of how we can select records from a Cassandra table using first the primary key and then second using a non-primary key field. Now, I want you to notice the difference between the two. All right, so let's say I want to display my tables first. I'll say desk tables, and I have a table called class list here. If you missed the videos where I created the key space and where I created the class list, please go back in the videos and watch those two videos. All right, so let's get right into it. So for me to see what's in my table called class list, I'll simply say select all from class list and I'll press enter. Oops, there is a mistake there in my statement. I should say from class list. Select all from class list and my class list is showing there. So I have 4 students in this table. Now I'm going to select just a few attributes or a few things about a student from this table, and I'm going to select that using the student ID first, and then next I'll select using let's say the age of a person. So if I want to select, let's say I want to display just the student name and the surname of a student with student ID 2025-04. Right, I would say select the student ID, comma, the surname from my class list, which is the name of my table, and I'll say where student ID is equals to 2025-04. That's my statement there. So this statement will then go ahead and select just the columns that I have mentioned there, the student ID and the surname about this student called 2025-04 in terms of their ID. So I'll press enter here, and it's going to show just one row of data there, which is the row of data for student 2025-04, and their surname is Kerry. Oh, in my case here, I said select student ID. I didn't say select student name. I wanted to select the student name, so I'll just go ahead and do that. Select the student name, the name. I'll simply say name here, stud name, surname from class list. I'll press enter, so I'll see the student name and their surname there is Mariah Carey. All right, so I'm going to do now another select statement where I'm not going to be using the primary key, which is the student ID, to select the same attributes about Mariah Carey. Okay, so I'll do select the stud name and their surname from class list, where let's say where age is equals to 24. Now I want you to notice what happens when I press enter here. So when I press enter, Cassandra is going to give me an error. It's going to throw an error, and this error is simply telling me that I'm trying to select records from a table using a non-primary key field, and if I want to execute this successfully, I have to allow filtering. So in Cassandra, when you use a field for searching that is not a primary key, you always have to say allow filtering at the end. So I'm going to just modify my statement there at the end here and say allow filtering. Okay, so if I simply add this statement to say allow filtering, now Cassandra is going to show me what I have requested, and if I press enter there, I'm going to see the record for Mariah Carey as well. Okay, so that's how you can use the select statement to display records based on the primary key and based on non-primary key fields in Cassandra. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please do comment, please do like and share the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.